Yo, what's up YouTube? Man, it's early morning, second day out ginseng hunting. I haven't been able to go much. I'm just blessed to be out here today, and we are coming to y'all from undisclosed location number 2. And when I mean undisclosed, let me know how to get here. 360 view. There's absolutely nothing in sight. I'm on the back side of one of my ginseng properties. Just got dropped off by my dad. Got my car parked at the other end. We're up in the woods. We're happy. Let's see if we can't find some roots, y'all. Y'all, I'm on a hillside. It's so steep I gotta use my digger to climb. Check out this beautiful little patch of wild ginger growing underneath this down tree. And anywhere you see spice bush, ginger, bloodroot, etc. growing, pawpaws, you're in a good spot. Alright, I'm almost to the top. And I feel like I should start seeing it soon. From what I remember, it is very late in the year though. So there is a good chance that most of it's dead. Especially with the lack of rain. It is very dry. Definitely could all be gone now. I planted some here about 5 years ago. Haven't been back. Maybe the lower we go. Finally seeing it. It took me finding a dead one. First little patch of the day. I'm gonna dig that one right there, and we're gonna leave all the rest of them. We're gonna plant the berries back. The rest of them are just small. Definitely still growing, boys. Alright, you gotta look out for stuff like this time of year. Look at this little guy. Not gonna dig him, he's tiny. Alright, I see one about 20 yards ahead. Not sure if it's diggable. Haven't been finding any good sized roots at all. What caught my eye was this guy, but get to looking around. Oh, fox turtle. That's definitely a digger. Bingo. This ground is very hard too. Let's see if we can't find some berries laying around. Pretty little plant. Yeah, we're just gonna pop him there. Keep on moving. Anybody name what type of tree this is? Just by the bark. Hey, yo, check this out. I thought this was a ginseng plant for a minute. Built like one. How they got the base. Alright, I was just cruising along through here. That little berry right there caught my eye. Little 2-pronger. And I'll look on up. This little guy catches my eye. Another little 3. Bingo. There's the digger. That's the only one we're gonna dig. Alright, I finally found one of them ones I was looking for. Let's freaking go. This right here, my friends, was a 4-prong. See where it went right there? Check that girl out. Beautiful. Look at that berry still. Look at the stalk on that guy. Man, this sucks because this ground is so hard. Man, with the ground being as hard as it is, you ain't gonna get no better than that. Now, as big as a hole as that was, didn't take no time to cover it back up. Always cover your tracks. Check that out. Now you can see that ginseng. I'm 30 yards away. It's the best part about hunting ginseng this time of year. And as I was sitting here, I got to looking. Man, I'm into some good stuff now, boys. Another beautiful plant. I'm gonna dig this one as well. There you go, 2 decent little roots. Not bad, folks. Got covered our tracks up. Got to looking down the hill. Bingo. Alright, little midday catch up. I'm still cruising on the same hill. I've planted this throughout the past 20 years. I plant it every year. So it's looking good up here, man. Decent plant. Tons of small. Little 2-prong, another little 2-prong. Check that plant out. That's definitely a good one. Yeah, let's go, boys. I'm about to sit here and dig these good ones up. I think there's 3 good ones right here. And just keep on pushing. Slow creep through this underbrush. And I see a nice, I think it's a 4 maybe. Definitely a good 3. Check that plant out. Best part about digging that one is, as I look up through here, boom, 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 boom. It's all over. So I'm gonna pop the tops on these smaller ones. Little baby 3, little baby 2-pronger. You pop the tops on these for poaching reasons. Check out how that sucker's hanging on back in there. I'll have to go back in there to get it. There we go. Pretty root. So I'm just going through with this little stuff like this. Just popping the tops on them, guys. Alright, making our way down through here. Just dug this one. Had this beautiful bulb on there. Just dug that one. And as I look down through here, I mean, it's everywhere. Get to looking, and this one catches my eye right here. Start looking down through there. Look through there. Boom. Down there. Boom. It's everywhere, y'all. I mean, this ginseng is everywhere up here. Look at this. Just rolling down this hill. I want to catch mine from a good way off. Pretty plant. Another one right next to it. Another one right next to it. Alright, I was cruising up through here. I didn't have the camera on. I found this weird piece of pottery. I don't know if it's old or what. Let me know what you guys think. But the even more crazy part is, got the looking down through here. I always go through and pick and try to find pieces in walls, you know. Remove them. I got the looking. Check that crap out. Now I'm far away from anything right now. Alright, here's what we ended up with for today. Decent little day. A couple little artifacts right there. Like an old piece of a clay pot, I'm not sure. Let me know what this is, y'all. And we know what this is. Alright, I appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all next time, man.
See?